Hey there, adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Are you tired of being stuck in a jam during your off-road escapades? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the world of recovery straps, and I'll show you the best recovery strap you can trust every time you hit the muddy trails or rocky roads. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your off-road journey, the right gear is crucial. So, buckle up, because I'll not only reveal top-rated recovery straps, but also share insider tips on how to use them for safe and hassle-free towing. Let's gear up and get started. Number 5. Vevor Heavy Duty Tow Strap Recovery Kit is your ultimate solution. With a remarkable braking strength of 36,000 lbs, this robust 20-foot X3 in tow strap is perfect for towing trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and heavy equipment through any rugged terrain. The kit includes ultra-safe 3/4-inch zinc-plated D-ring shackles, equipped with silicone bumper guards for extra durability. What sets this recovery strap apart are its advanced waterproof features and protective sleeves, reducing wear and tear, ensuring longevity and comfort during use. Plus, its compact design makes storage a breeze, perfect for your vehicle, backpack, or closet. Whether you're navigating through deep mud, snowy fields, or daring mountain rescues, the Vevor recovery strap is built to take on the challenge. Don't wait for a tow truck. Gear up with the Vevor Heavy Duty Tow Strap Recovery Kit and have the peace of mind knowing you're well equipped for any adventure. Number 4. Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap, your ultimate solution for emergency recovery situations. With an impressive brake strength of 518 pounds, this heavy-duty strap is engineered for tackling tough challenges and off-road adventures. American-owned and family-operated, Rhino USA is committed to exceptional customer support, making you feel part of the family. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant polyester, the strap ensures long-lasting performance and reliability, perfect for towing or pulling vehicles stuck on flat surfaces. Its triple reinforced loop ends enhance wear resistance against abrasion and load stress, ensuring secure connection points that you can rely on. Whether you use it with your truck, UTV, or Jeep, this strap promises to protect your vehicle while delivering power when you need it most. Plus, with Rhino USA's real lifetime replacement guarantee, you can trust that you'll receive top-notch service, making it the best recovery strap on the market. Don't just be prepared, be equipped. Number 3. ARB 705LB Recovery Snatch Strap is the best recovery strap you can find on the market today. Measuring at 30 feet in length and 2 3/8 inches in width, this powerhouse boasts a remarkable load capacity of 17,600 pounds, suitable for the most demanding off-road situations. Crafted from 100% nylon with a genuine 20% elasticity, this strap is designed to stretch under load, allowing for a smooth extraction of bogged or immobilized 4WD vehicles. The kinetic energy generated during recovery not only enhances performance but also reduces the risk of vehicle damage, making it a go-to for any adventure enthusiast. With reinforced eyes and NADA-approved testing, you can rest assured that this strap meets the highest standards. Whether you're tackling challenging terrain or lending a hand to fellow travelers, the ARB 705LB is an essential piece of equipment you won't want to be without. Choose ARB and ensure you're prepared for anything nature throws your way. Number 2. Keeper Tow Straps Heavy Duty with Loops, your go-to solution for emergency towing and vehicle recovery. Specially designed to handle even the toughest conditions, this 4-inch by 30-foot recovery strap boasts an impressive 20,000 lbs brake strength and can efficiently tow vehicles weighing up to 10,000 pounds. Crafted from high-test abrasion-resistant webbing, this strap is not only light and compact but also a smart alternative to heavy chains that can rust over time. You can trust Keeper for reliability when it matters most. Whether you're dealing with cars, trucks, or SUVs, this versatile towing strap is compatible with mid-sized vehicles, making it an essential piece of gear for any automotive enthusiast or outdoor adventurer. Remember, safety first. Always confirm the size of your vehicle before using this recovery strap. Make the smart choice and equip yourself with the best recovery strap on the market today. Number 1. Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Tow Rope, the ultimate solution for off-road enthusiasts. Proudly American-owned and family-operated, this father-slash-son business delivers quality you can trust. This heavy-duty snatch strap is designed for versatility and strength, boasting an impressive lab-tested brake strength of 580 pounds. Constructed from premium heavy-duty synthetic fiber, it guarantees extended durability, making it suitable for vehicles such as UTVs, ATVs, trucks, cars, and tractors. Whether you're navigating challenging terrains or needing a reliable recovery solution, the Rhino USA tow rope provides the confidence and peace of mind you deserve. Its elastic properties allow for efficient energy absorption during towing, enhancing the safety of both vehicles involved. So when you're searching for the best recovery strap on the market, look no further. Join the Rhino family today and be assured that you're equipped with top-tier gear that's backed for life. Be prepared for any situation and elevate your off-road adventures with Rhino USA. In conclusion, choosing the best recovery strap is essential for efficient and safe vehicle recovery. Remember to consider factors like material strength, length, and the type of vehicles you'll be working with. With the right strap, you will be prepared for any situation, ensuring a smooth recovery process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. Your feedback means a lot.